Okay, students, welcome to the class. Last class, I had given one assignment. Have you done, both, all of you? Everybody completed the assignment?
Yes, sir.
What was the question? Can somebody tell me? Five kg mass is there? Yes. And we are pulling it at force 20 Newton. Correct, Siddhi?
Sir.
And one more force being applied. That is 10 Newton. Correct?
Yes.
And the angle here is 53 degree. And the angle here is 37 degree. Correct? And it is on a ground. Correct? So what do you have to find? Acceleration and what? N. Normal. So, Pritham, have you done?
Actually, like, I was having exams this week, sir. So, like, I wasn't able to see that video, sir.
Okay. So, but then how will you understand then now? Devika.
I'll try to understand, sir.
Devika, what about you? Did you try?
Yes, sir, I tried, but I didn't get.
Okay, Siddhi, what about Swaroop? Did you try? Swaroop? 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 Why are you not speaking? Siddhi, tell me, how did you do?
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So, niche mg lagega and there will be two components of 2m. 20 Newton force, there will be two components. One will be 20 sine 37 and 20 cos 37. So mg will be equal to 20 sine 37 plus 10 sine 53 plus normal. So उससे
दो लगेगा, ठीक है ना? ये 20 न्यूटन का दो कंपोनेंट आएगा, एक ऊपर की तरफ, one topward, that is vertical component, that is 20 sine 37, and it will have a horizontal component this side 20 cos 37. Similarly, for this force, you will have again one more 10 sine 53, correct? And one more horizontal component. Which side? Which side? Which side it will be? Which side? Siddhi? Which side? Same side. Same side. 20 cos 53. Correct or not? Yes? No. See, this one is this side. It is being pulled. It is being pushed. So here it will be the 10 sine. This side it will be 10 sine 53. See, this force will have two components. One this side, one this side. This force will have two components. One this side and one this side. Understood? So now what happened? Your n, this side is your n. This side, topward side. 10 n plus 20 sine 37 degree equal to what? mg plus 10 sine 53. This is one equation. Clear? Yes or no? Am I correct? Yeah.
Sir, but आपने जब question दिया था तो मतलब you showed the 10 Newton वाला outwards.
Like that, huh? Okay, by mistake maybe. Okay. So this is the question. This is being pulled. This is being pushed from this side. Here it being pulled. Okay. So first we got this equation. So now everything you know. Sine 37 you know. Sine 53 you know. N you know mg. So how much will be n? Your n will be how much? 40, it will be 50 plus 8 minus 10. Answer will be 46 Newton. Okay. Now see your horizontal component. This is being pushed, this is being pulled, and this is being pushed. So both the forces will add up. So 20 cos 53 degree plus 20 cos 37 degree will be how much? M into A. This is a force. Your force should be equal to MA. Correct or not? Force should create an acceleration. So your mass is this much. Acceleration we have to find out. So what is the total force? The total force is this is being pushed, this is being pulled. So 20 cos 37 plus 20 cos 53 is equal to M into A. What is M? 5 kg. 5 into A is equal to this much. How much A? A will be this divided by 5. Answer will be how much? So 20 cos 53 is 4 by 5. And no, 1 minute. I did a mistake. This is not 20. This is 10. No. This is 10 Newton. So this is 10 cos 53. 10 cos 53. So 10. And here it will be 20 into cos 37 is 3 by 5. Correct? 3 by 5. So it will be 2. So 8, this 2. 8 plus 6. How much? 8 plus 6 how much? 8 plus 6 is? Sorry.
14.
No. This is 20. This is 20. I did a mistake here. Somewhere I did a mistake. 1 minute. No. Wait. It is 10, 20 cos 37 plus 10 cos 53. Correct? Is equal to M into A. So how much? 20 cos 37 is how much? 4 by 5. Sin 37 is how much? 3 by 5 is equal to 5 into A. So this becomes how much? 16. This is how much? 6 equal to M into A. So 22 divided by 5 is equal to A. So 22 meter per second square. So this is 4.4 meter per second square is your acceleration. So you got the normal force is 46 Newton and your acceleration is 4.4 meter per second square. Everybody who has doubt, tell me, I'll explain again.
So can you explain this again, sir?
Okay. See, there are two forces. One is the pushing force and one is the pulling force. So this 20 Newton will have two components, this side and top side. Okay. And this 10 Newton will have two components, this side and this side, bottom side. So there are, how many forces are there? There are 4 forces. Sorry, how many? There are actually 6 forces. One is mg, one is normal, one is this component, and one is this component. So these are 4 forces, and 2 other forces are this side and this side. So this force N plus 20 sine 37 will be equal to mg plus 10 sine 53. Clear? This much is clear? Clear or not? Pritham, clear?
Yes, sir.
And this force, this side, and also somebody is pushing and you are also pulling. So these two forces, simple, no, you have a cycle. Somebody is pulling this side and somebody is pushing. So total effort is how much? This plus this or not? Because both are in same direction. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 10 sine 53 plus 10 cos 53 plus 20 sine 37 is a total force. And that is equal to MA. We have to find acceleration. Simple. And here you just substitute everything. We got N. Devika, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Swarup, clear?
Yes.
Okay. Shall we go ahead? Are you noting down? Can I rub
Yes, sir.
it? Can I rub it? Okay. Okay. So next question. Next question. There are 2 objects. One is M2 and one more object is M1. and both are lying. Somebody is pushing here. We are applying a force. Okay, so this will have some acceleration. This will have also same acceleration. We have to find what is the acceleration value. What is the A? See, when I am applying a force, this block together will move. Yes, this is M1, this is M2. Both are different mass. Okay, now can we consider this mass as one single mass? M1 plus M2? Can we consider?
Yes, sir.
That means if I'm applying M, this will be moving with some acceleration. So F is equal to total mass M total into acceleration. So what is M total? M total is M1 plus M2. So what is the acceleration? What is the acceleration? The acceleration will be F by F M1 plus M2. Easy. Easy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Siddhi, Devika, Pritam.
Yes, sir.
Pritam, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we'll go to the next question. Next is, I have 3 objects. One is 2 kg, one is 3 kg, and one is 4 kg. Okay, I am giving a force. This is a pushing force, 80 Newton. You have to find what? You have to find acceleration. Okay, you have to find acceleration. So how will you find acceleration? So what is same? So whenever these type of problems are there, just consider this as one single mass of 2 plus
2
3
meter
plus
per
4.
second.
Very good. As 9 kg. So you are giving 18. So force is equal to ma. So force is 18 Newton. Mass is 9. Acceleration. A is how much? 18 by 9, which is 2 meter per second square. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Pritam, clear? Pritam,
Yes,
Devika, Siddhi. See, always all have to be together and have to be on the ground. I will teach a special case where it is not so. Okay. We'll go ahead with the next. One more case where you have a mass M1 and there is a mass M2 on top of this, where M1 is greater than M2. I am giving a force. I am giving a force. It is, have you seen any type? Remember, you have a glass and you place a, what do you place? You place a coin. You place it, what do you call that? One card. On the card you place a coin. Suddenly you either pull it or you push it. What happens? Does the coin go with the card or the coin falls inside the tumbler? Guys, I'm asking you a question. This card is there.
It depends on the speed.
Yes, it will depend on the speed. If you are so perfect, then suddenly pulling will not come. The coin will not fall. Sorry, slowly pulling, the coin will not fall inside the tumbler. You have to pull it suddenly, or you have to strike it very hard so that the card flies very fast and the coin will not move. Coin will just fall here. Yes or no? You can do the experiment. So
yes,
whenever
sir.
these type of problems are there, if you want to find acceleration, remember, and also the question is find A of M1 find A of M1 and M2. Okay, and obviously the assumption is all surface are smooth. That means there is no frictional force. The surface is very smooth and there is no frictional force. Smooth surface have frictional force as 0. Remember, so assumption is all that. So if this type of problems comes in your exam, so here you are not supposed to do F by M1 plus M2 is equal to A. No, you cannot do. Why? Because you are giving an instantaneous force so that this M1 will go and M2 will fall behind. M2 will fall behind. Okay, if this goes, this will be like M2 will fall and M1 will be here. So in this type of problems, if the question comes, so your acceleration will be how much? Your acceleration will be F by M1. And what is, this is your A1, this is your A2. Okay, let's say. So this A2 for M2 is how much? 0. Why? Because the mass, the bottom mass will only fly, will only go. This will not move. This will only fall. But let's say there would have been a frictional force. Then the cases would have been different. Then the A2 also would have, M2 also would have moved. We don't know. This is a complicated case. So whenever you are learning physics, it's all about the assumption. We are assuming that frictional force is 0. The surface is a smooth surface. Are we clear, Pritham? Pritham, clear?
Yes, sir.
Devika, Siddhi, Swaroop?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, na? This type of problem don't add up. I'm telling you, you'll make mistake. Smooth surface is given. This M2 will only fall behind, will fall on the ground. That's it. It is not moving further. Okay. It is not moving. This is not experience any force. Only M1 will move. If M1 moves, then M1 will move in the acceleration F by M1. Clear? We'll do a problem on this. Then we'll be clear, much clearer. Same. You have a body of 5 kg, and on top of that you have 2 kg. Okay, this is A2, this is A1, and I am giving a force 10 Newton. Find the, it is also telling us to find out A1, A2, and also one more question: how much time will it take for the 2 kg mass to fall on the ground? Here it's a additional question is given. How much time will this mass take to fall on the ground? Okay, first we have to find A1. You know A1 how much? F by M1. And A2 is of course 0. Yes or no? A2 is of course
Yes,
0. Now what is A1? A 10 by 5 kg is equal to 2 meter per second square. Now you see, we are saying that the 2 kg mass will fall on the ground. Correct? Will fall on the ground. Yes or no? But let's say this is 4 meter, this distance. So if it has to fall on the ground, how the case would have been? It is this 2 kg mass would have been here, and this mass would have been here, somewhere here, 5 kg. That means this mass has covered a distance 4 meter. Understood, Pritham? Clear, guys? You have to understand. I am giving a force. I am giving in a force in such a way that this 2 kg mass falls on the ground. It will only fall the ground when this block moves this side. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pritham, clear, no?
Sir, can you explain this again, sir?
Arey Baba, I'm having a mass here. On this, I have a 2 kg mass. My question is find A1, acceleration A1, find A2, and also find the time required for this block to fall on the ground. This block will only fall on the ground when this block has moved here. This block is here. It will only fall on the ground when this block moves this side, where this has come this side. So here there is no block. It will fall on the ground. That means it has to cover a distance of how much? 4 meter or not?
Yes, sir.
Guys, able to understand? Imagine. Just see.
Yes, sir.
It has to cover it 4 meter. No, this block has to come this side. Now once it comes this side, here it is no block. This will fall on the ground. So how much it has to cover? It has to cover a distance of S, distance 4 meter. So S equal to UT plus half AT square. Correct? So initial velocity is how much? 0? Yes or no? Initial velocity is 0 or not, beta? Initial velocity is 0 or not? Nobody is moving. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what happens? Half 80 square, half. Acceleration is how much? How much is the acceleration? How much is the acceleration? Now, here comes a question. Your A2 is 0. This A2 is 0. But A2 will have a negative acceleration. How? Your A1 is moving at A1 and this is not moving. So your relative acceleration of 2 kg mass with respect to this mass will be how much? Relative A21 will be A1 minus A2, sorry, A2 minus A1, which is 0 minus 2. How much? Minus 2 meter per second square. Correct or not? Correct or not? Pritham,
Yes, sir.
this mass is accelerating forward at A1. This is not accelerating. So ideally, your relative acceleration is how much? Minus 2 meter per second square. So this is 4 meter, s equal to 4 meter, this is 0, so equal to half into minus 2 into t square. Correct? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But I remember I told you that it has to fall on the ground. It has to fall on the ground. So whenever this type of problems are there, you have to put minus 4. So minus cancel. You can take, this is gone, so t. So how much t square? T will be plus minus, so plus 2 seconds. It will take only 2 seconds for the mass to fall down. It will take only 2 seconds for the mass to fall down. Clear? Guys, clear? सिद्धि समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
देविका?
Yes, sir.
स्वरूप?
हाँ सर.
ठीक है, चलो. We'll go to the next problem. Don't miss the class, guys. Very important problems are there. There are two mass M1 and M2, okay, and both are being pulled with a force F. So since I am pulling both the mass, all will move with an acceleration A. Same acceleration. Correct or not? Because F applied is same. Okay. Now we have to find, obviously this is string. This is a string. So it will have a tension. It will have a tension. Yes? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it will have a force. Now just imagine, I am pulling this string. I am pulling this string. This is applied force. I am applying a force. So now the tension is also this side. I told you. So if a force is this side, tension is opposite side. That means the T and what is the force applied on this? The force applied on this will be M1A, yes or no? And what is the force applied on this? Mass is given, acceleration is given. M1A
Yes,
or
sir.
not? So tension on the first mass is M1 into A. Correct or not? Correct or not? But what about second mass? See, there is a force here and your tension is this side. So F minus this T, which tension? Opposite side, is equal to M2A. Correct or not? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So there are two equations, 1 and 2. Add it. So when you add it, T plus F minus T is equal to M1A plus M2A. T goes. So F becomes how much? M1A plus M2A. How much? M1 plus M2 into A. How much is your T? Sorry, how much is your F? Sorry, A is how much? F divided by M1 plus M2. Correct? Yes, beta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But we have to get two things. One is the acceleration and one is the tension. Now we got acceleration. Now let us substitute the value of t in the second equation. Let us substitute the value of t in the second equation. Which equation? This equation. So f minus t is equal to m2 into f divided by m1 plus m2. Clear? So this will go this side, this will come this side. So f minus m2 into f divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to t. So we'll take f common. F common will become m minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to t. So take LCM. M1 plus m2 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to t. So m2 goes. So what remains? F into m1 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to t. This is another solution. So your acceleration came, your tension came. So whenever this type of problems is there, Pritam, don't solve this equation. Remember this formula, put the formula, you'll get the answer. This is one of the shortcut. Whatever IEEE you are trying, this is one more trick. Clear, guys? Guys, clear? Pritam, clear?
Yes, sir.
Devik,
I have a doubt, sir.
Bolo, tell.
Sir, in my exam, they asked some questions. Sir. Can I ask it now or later, sir?
Which question? Is it related to now?
Sir, it is related to that pulley, sir.
Pulley we have not gone, beta. We will not disturb the class. Okay? You ask me separately. Okay?
Yes, sir.
See, whenever you are personally coming to me, that's okay. But whenever I'm teaching in a group, I am going as per the group. We are focusing. People get confused. I don't want to do that. Okay? Okay, guys. So can we move ahead? Siddhi,
Yes, sir.
beta.
हाँ सर.
नहीं समझेगी ना, आके मारूंगा मैं तुमको पीठ में.
हाँ
चलो.
सर समझा.
क्लियर. Now we'll
सर
go to
इधर ही
the,
है.
इधर ही है ना, सब इधर ही रहते. Except Pritam, everybody stays here only. Okay. Now one more problem. Very easy. Understand and then do. Okay. Don't hurry up. 2 kg, 1 kg, and one more 3 kg. I am pulling at force equal to 6 Newton. And obviously all are moving in acceleration A and A. So find out tension and find out the how much. Only find acceleration. That's it. Only find acceleration. See here there are 2 strings. Okay, whenever there are 2 strings, you will have 2 different tension. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So shall I do or you want to try?
We'll try, sir.
Try. Can you quickly rejoin, guys? I'm sorry, meeting is getting over. Can you quickly rejoin? Please rejoin quickly, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.